Welcome to my fourth tutorial for Ansys, and I hope you have finished watching the last three lectures, three tutorials, and I believe you enjoyed it. And it's a very short review on my research website. So if you have an interest, you go through my research site. Now I will start today's tutorial regarding how to change the background color. So let's start with Ansys. So after opening your Ansys workbench, you see such type of interface. So what I have already told you, I wanna introduce with you how to change the background color. So for these, I may need to transfer one of the analysis system from the left side to the from here to here, the project schematic. So I wanna shift static structure. So for these, I just wanted to just often to draw the geometry. There are several options here. I will introduce you later, so don't worry. Basically, there are three types of drawing module here. You can see here: new design modular geometry, new discovery geometry, new space claim geometry. So today's tutorial is not purpose to draw a 3D model, just to show you how to change the background color. So one of the three 3D creating space, just I wanna show you one of the tools here. Just click on new design modular geometry, just double click. It will just take some moments. Okay, so you see here another interface. So from the very first, you will just here see some uh, plane XY ZX YZ plane. So just click one of the plane XY plane. Just the right side of your mouse, you see the look at. Just click on it, and you see the background color is white. So now my question or your question is, today's tutorial purpose is how to change the background color. So for this, we may back to our mother interface panel. So you see here the tool. You see here tool. So you go for the options, and there are several options here. Just clicking one, the appearance, just double click here. You see here the appearance. So the graphic style, and here the background color. Okay, here also the text color. So there are several things. You may change the color from here. So as I just wanna show you how to change the background color. So you see here the background color is white. So just double click here. You see the another interface. So whatever the color you gonna use from here. For example, he will use it is for example this color you will use. Okay, So after clicking this color, you just click on OK. So thereafter you just click on here. So after clicking on here, you will go back your uh, drawing model, your interface. You see here your white color background isn't existed now. You see your the changed color background. So by this way you will be able to change your background color. Hopefully you will enjoy this very short tutorial, and obviously the same thing, my expectation, my request, keep watching my tutorials. Thank you very much.